Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to display application names on your Samsung phone. On some Samsung devices, only the application icons are shown without their names. So today I will guide you through the steps to fix this problem. Your Samsung phone is not showing app names because the app label setting is likely turned off. To turn that on, press your phone's home button once. Then long press an empty space on your phone home screen for 2 seconds. You'll get this menu. Press Settings and enable App Labels. Your phone applications will now display their names. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.